Hi guys, and welcome back to our Pipex YouTube channel. This is the second part of our Level Up Your Project Organization tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you the benefits of having a well-organized project structure, worksets, and view templates. I will also show you how I usually draw pipes in projects, what you need to pay attention to, what mistakes you should avoid, and so on. Alright, currently we have two levels in our project, and for the purpose of this video I need to add a few more levels. How can I do it? I'll go to View, Plans View, Floor Plan, and here it is possible to create several floor plans at once, so I'll select all the levels I have in my project, and it's also possible to adjust their properties. So I'll do it. I want that my floor plans get a view template that we previously created. Let it be user2 pipex. Apply OK. OK. And you see, our plans were created in the right place in the project browser. So in the next step, I need to draw a section. Right-click on it and go to View. These are our levels. I'll go to Architecture, select Level, and here we'll add a few more levels. I want to keep the same distance, 4 meters. It's the height of a level, like this, and one more level, like this. Then I'll quickly rename them. All right. As you can see, floor plans were automatically created for the levels we have just added. So they appeared in the project browser. Alright, now I'll go to floor plan 0, and here I'll create a grid. I do it because I think it will be easier to understand how I draw pipes with a grid. At least it would be easier for me. Like this. 6 meters, yes. Alright, that's more than enough. I want to divide this area into two parts. This will be area 1, and this will be our area 2. Like this. Let me show you with the area tool. So this is going to be our area 1. Yes, and here we'll have area 2. Alright, I'll draw my pipe at the corner, then it will go up like this to the area 2 where our building is located. Alright, I'll delete these areas. So, as I want to have two areas, I need to add a few additional worksets because in the previous video we created several worksets for the area 1. So they have the index A100 for two different users. What I'm going to do now, I'll create a few more worksets, but this time with the index A200 for the area 2. So now I can, I'll make it editable, then I'll rename it like this. I need to reopen it. I'll copy the name and create a new workset. A200 user 1, perfect. The same for equipment and also secondary support. Like this, all right. Okay, no, I don't want it to be an active workset. Our active workset is A100 piping systems, because we are going to draw a line in the area 1. All right, I'll go to Systems and select Pipe. I want to show you two different ways how you can draw pipes in Autodesk Revit. We'll start with drawing it from a floor plan, and then I'll go to 3D view and draw a pipe from the 3D view. What is the difference between these two options? When I create a pipe from the floor plan, then a pipe will automatically get a reference level, which is the level of the floor plan. For example, now I am in the floor plan 0, yes, and you can see that the reference level of a pipe is also 0. Another important thing to pay attention to is the middle elevation. It is the offset from the level. So I'll make it 500 millimeters, I think it will be enough, and draw a pipe. Like this. As you can see, we can see only a line instead of a pipe, because the visibility is set to low or medium probably. So what I want to do, I want to first I will press escape, and then I can try to change the visibility settings to fine, the level of detail, and you see it didn't work. It didn't work because yes, a view template was assigned to this floor plan. It is user to pipex view template. So to change the level of detail of this view, I need to go to view template and find detail level. Here I can change it to fine. What else do I want to change? I think it's enough for now. Apply, okay. You can see that a pipe is shown in the view. All right, let's continue. I want to continue in the second level. How can I do it? It's very simple. I need to change the reference level of the pipe. And it's important that you don't forget to change the offset from the level. Like this, 500, and now we can continue. And I'll draw a little segment to the right, like this. Okay, we have a warning that none of the created elements are visible in the current view, but it's absolutely fine. Yes, we indeed cannot see them until we go to the floor plan 2. How can I change it? It is possible to adjust properties so that you can see pipes in all levels of your project. How can I do it? You need to go to the properties of your floor plan, and here there is a view range. But at the moment I cannot edit it because we assigned a view template to this view. So I'll go to view templates, and here yes, you need to find view range and click on edit. So currently we can only see pipes that are placed at the level 0. Everything above or below this level is not visible. So what we can do, we can say that I want to see everything to the height of 16 meters. We have 3 levels with a height of 4 meters, so I think it should be sufficient. Cut plan, I will also say 16,000. Associated level you can just leave like this. And a view depth, you could also adjust if you want to see elements below the level. It can be handy if you want to see beams, for example. I'll click on apply and OK. And you see what happens. We are in the floor plan 0, but we can see the whole pipe. Okay, let's continue to draw the pipe. We entered area 2. You remember that it is our area 1 and this is our area 2. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to select this element and I will change the workset it is associated with from A100 to A200 piping systems. Alright, now we can continue. I'll go to pipe. We are currently in the 2nd level, so maybe I will draw another pipe segment at the 2nd level, and then we'll go to the 3rd level. Yes, 2nd level. I'll check the offset. It's fine. So maybe it will go like this. Not that important. And then I want to go to 3rd level. So escape 3rd level. Don't forget to change the offset 500 millimeters, and we can continue now. Yes, like this, for example. And then let's say we're leaving the area 2. So what I need to do, first I will check the workset. So everything in this area should have the proper workset, A200. Piping systems, yes, like this. Okay, these elements too. Second, yes. All right. Apply. And now we can continue to draw our pipe. I will go back to the 1st level. Then maybe it will go down to level 0. Like this. So let's see what we created in the 3D view. So this is what it looks like. Our pipe. Another way to draw a pipe would be to start from the 3D view. So let's try it right now. This time I will start in the area 2 and then go to area 1. So I'll change the reference level to 3. Be careful, you need to find the middle elevation here. Change it to 500. And then we'll start drawing. Maybe like this. Then I'll go to level 1. No, level 2. Adjust the offset. Like this. Continue the second level, and here I want to change the level again. Yes, like this. It's actually not that important, but we could go to level 0 and continue. Yes, like this. Now I want to check what worksets I assigned to pipe segments. So it is A100 for area 1, and everything that is here I should have workset A200 piping systems. So I'll quickly change the workset. Click apply. All right. So these are pipes that we created. Let me show you what are the practical benefits of having properly prepared worksets and view templates. First thing I want to do, I want only the first part to be visible, the first area. I'll hide everything with the index A200. Close. Okay, and you see what happened? Some pipe segments are hidden now. And I also noticed that I made a mistake because this pipe segment has a 100 workset, which is not correct. So I'll change it to a 200. And yes, that's what we get. Or I could say that everything should be visible again. Or I could hide all pipes in the area 1. It's also possible, of course, like this. And you see that I made a mistake, actually, that the levels and grids are not in the proper workset now, because they actually should always have the shared levels and grids workset. So I'll select on all instances. No, it's first I need to change the visibility of the worksets, then I can select all instances visible in the view, and here I can change the workset to levels on grid, like this. What else we could do? We could go to the view template of this 3D view and here add some filters to change the graphical representation of our pipes. I'll click on Edit, New, add a new filter, name it Area 1. Then I'll select categories that I want to have for this filter, generic models, what else? Mechanical equipment, of course pipes, pipe fittings and pipe accessories, and I need to add a filter rule. So I will select a workset. So this rule applies to all worksets that contain A100. Apply. And I'll create a second filter for area 2. Here I'll select the same categories: generic models, mechanical equipment, pipe fittings, pipe accessories, and pipes. Here the same worksets that contain A200. Apply, okay. And I will select the two filters we have just created. Here it is possible to override their patterns. For example, for area 1, I want it to be solid fill of this color. Yes, doesn't matter. Yes, let's keep it like this. And for area 2, I want it to be solid fill of maybe this color. I want it to be blue. Apply. Okay. And so this is how you can change the graphical representation of your model using view templates and worksets. I hope you could learn more about view templates and worksets. This is it for now. Of course, I hope you liked this video, and see you next time.